Check out this 2010 Holden Commodore. This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.